What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't yet, hit that little A1 logo and subscribe to your boy. So I know I made the decision that I'm gonna do something to the Honda Civic, and I got it right here. Boom, the DC Sports aftermarket muffler. So let's take this bad girl out. So this is basically it right here. You can see DC Sport. It's like that. It's one of these. I got it for like 40 bucks, and me driving the Civic, I'm just like, as a car enthusiast, I'm just like, man, you know, I want a little bit of sound. Nothing like the beast, like the Beamer, but a little bit of sound on the Civic would be nice. And I was looking up exhaust, like just a muffler, and I seen this one, I seen HKS, I seen Vibrate, I seen Magnaflow, and I don't know, it's just this one got to me. I was like, I think this one sounds like good, like okay, nothing crazy. So we about to go to Loose Custom Exhaust and install this bad boy. Ooh, y'all see that? It's getting worked on. Can't wait to see how it is. Ooh, did y'all hear that? That's it, it's on now. Here she is. Let's see how they did it real quick. Alright. Okay, oh, right there. Still got the resonator, still got the cat. Everything else ahead is stock. That's how they did it. It's pretty good. Let me see if I can get y'all some flybys. Alright, Joe, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's this muffler right here, DC Sport. I don't know if you can see that, but it's alright. You know what I mean? It's nothing crazy. Gives a little bit of sound. It kind of reminds me of my RSX, but the RSX had a RS type muffler on it. So, but it seemed like a little louder than this one, but it's still good. I'm not trying to do nothing crazy right now. So yeah,